Toucan is an outdoor security camera that is uniquely powered by your existing light fixture, making no batteries or hardwiring necessary to power the camera. With the Toucan, you are able to see a live stream video of who is at your door or if a package has arrived, no matter where you are at any time of the day. When a visitor arrives and the motion detection is activated, you will receive a notification to your smart device via the free Kuna app. Simply open up the app to see who it is and communicate with them using the two-way talk function. Other great features of the Toucan is the ability to control your light via the app with motion sensor triggering or dusk to dawn scheduling, a built-in 100 decibel loud siren alarm for any unwanted visitors, pre-recorded greeting messages, one-touch dial for 911, and it's weatherproof.